Alright, it's day one here at the Goodguys Rod and Custom Nationals in Columbus, Ohio. See, we got the 38, the Nova here, hanging out in good company with Goodguys Garage. So we're happy to be here. Got great weather. We got Aaron over here behind me cleaning the trailer and the truck up, boy, doing a great job. Look, so yeah, they have already got a ton of foot traffic here, which is good. There are a lot of cars already here. So yeah, let's go walk around and see what we can find. All right, look, we're up here on top of the Goodguys Garage trailer with the Dynamic Speed Custom guys. Over Crumb's Hot Shot Shop. We're gonna check out this autocross behind us.
50.3 when I think Forge Line Racing Wheels, Summit Racing, Memphis, Speed Tech Performance, Performance Engineering, and suspension by Speedway Motors, will witness race and auto meter gauges. This Kershaw crosses good-looking 70 RS Camaro. LS3 built, home built by father and son. There is a rusted mess and replaced almost every panel, including the unibody. Why? Because, well, he's from Delaware. So I don't know what the rest worse than they do here in Ohio. In the Forge Line Street Machine category runs a Ford. This goes away. Thank you, Tori. I'll have a sugar rush. I remember last time I had cotton candy.
Some of his friends he grew
Josh
up with.
Brown out of Lima, Ohio, 71 Camaro. Because it's called Flame Orange. That's a good name. I'm an orange guy. Because our BMX team is.
So two of the big top 12 awards here in Columbus are Street Machine and Street Rod of the Year. And we're about to check out the top 10 contenders inside. Alright, Saturday here at the Goodguys Rod and Custom PPG Nationals in Columbus. A little drier today. Hopefully it stays that way. We're going to walk through the judging area, see some of these cool cars, some of the different themed judged areas, and then go walk through the vendors, see what else is here. All right, it is the final day here at Good Guys. I've got the Nova loaded back in the trailer, and the owner of the 38 actually came up here and drove it back home to West Virginia. So happy for him, he seemed excited. And yeah, now I'm about to make the trek back to Tennessee. But we had a good weekend, dodged some rain, got to see a bunch of cool folks. And yeah, we're gonna head to Tennessee. Y'all take care.